Hello, my dear friends. You can see here software called UninstallView version 1.43, and it is free version. It makes sure that you uninstall application you no longer use safely and completely from your system using simple and straightforward tool. And it will support Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, XP also. It will support 32 or 64-bit. A download file size 33 KB. After installation finish, you should run at least it will 10 second only. After installation finish, it will open like one window. Same like add and remove program. Just click on the software. After that, right click on that, uninstall or uninstall selected software. Quickly uninstall selected software. Open uninstall item from regedit. Open install folder in Explorer. There is four options are there. Regarding software, uninstall view version 1.43. It is all software which is installed in your laptop or computer. It will detect and you can easily uninstall the software. No need to go add and remove program and uninstall. Maybe it will take 1 or 2 minutes, right? In this application, very easily. Same like it is portable application. You can uninstall easily with the different type of uninstall like uninstall